If someone tells you that you need a complicated website just to start selling your digital products, they are lying to you. Don't get me wrong, I also sell automated websites and storefronts and e-commerce site. But if you are just starting or limited ang budget mo and wala kang capital for this is an encouragement sa'yo. You can start without these things. A lot of beginners are using the tech overwhelm or tech paralyze para hindi sila makapagsimula. Wala pa akong budget sa website or wala pa akong budget to build a automated e-commerce shop. Valid naman yan because again, we want to scale, we want to work smart. But if it will stop you from starting a kumikitang kabuhayan sa bahay, then please don't. I started my empire way back 2017 with zero capital, using entirely free tools. Before you ever pay for expensive platforms, inside our DIY Premium Incubator, I teach my students how to maximize Google Form and GCash to automate their business. And it takes exactly 15 minutes to set this up. It captures your leads and it takes your orders and it costs absolutely nothing. So yes, yung sinasabi kong you can start with nothing, pwede talaga yan. Validate your business first. Get your first-hand sales and use that profit to pay for your automated e-commerce store later. Tandaan, done is better than perfect. If you want my step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this exact free system, check the caption below and I'll send you the details on how to join our DIY Premium Incubator. I'll see you inside Future CEO.